Do your job.
Look at Lou. Come on, Drew. Ooh, dang. He can't get out of it. Oh, shit. Ooh. From Impact and NXT. That's what's up. Go, Tony! Yeah. They're the tax man. Got him. Shaking her butt. She's something else. But she good. Come on, Drew. High five. There you go. Go ahead, Drew. Let's get out the way, girl. Look at her. She better. Oh.
Oh, look what he gave him. What did he give him? The man.
Uh-oh.
He took the person.
Uh-oh.
It's cute. He took the man. Look at him. He's so cute.
Yeah. Go, Tony! Woo! My boy's gonna go. Gotta keep from getting slapped.
I ain't going nowhere.
He said, Part two. Oh.
That's for the game.
That's real classy, Coda. Real classy.
You big bully! Talk about me wearing bully brand.
Oh, I'm so cute.
Hey, gone.
Really?
Take it and hit him with it.
He's praying now.
I lay me down the street.
Ooh. Yeah, cash flow. My turn. Back.
cash.
Hell yeah. Cash rules all around us. Oh, like two damn, 2 L's. Oh! Oh, why you do him like that?
Oh!
No, hey.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
They both serve. Come on, Mike.
Come on, Mike. Come on. Yeah.
I am my man.
There you go. Hey, there we go. Come on,
Oh,
Rose.
Lord, he's still in over there.
Yeah, y'all. There you go. Make him do it.
Great competition. We're happy to be back. Smash West Tiger Valley. It has been over 35 years since the birth of Demolition. How does it feel to still be doing this after all these years? I can't believe we're still here doing this stuff. The fans are unbelievable. They love you out there.
So nice. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Go, girl. Hell yeah. She don't play.
It ain't going nowhere!
Yeah. We're gonna give it to him. Nope. Yeah. Like that.
He's a
Give him 50 feet, man. Shit. Look at that. backpack gonna have to disappear.
Don't let this old man intimidate you!
That's bogus. He bogus. All right, Doug. What's up? Look at that. Right around the Come on, Kyle.
Whoa. Oh, look at this.
Come on.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Ooh, that little girl, look at ran over.
Shirt.
You remind me look like
Thank you, and I will take it from here.
Thank you, Coleman.
Now, I want to thank you guys, man, for coming out. And also, usually when I come to these joints, I'm bringing a lucha board. Next year, we're going to have a lucha libre match, and I guarantee you, the lucha board.
He looked at him like. Scary ass, he's scary. That look at him over here now. Still not chill. Yeah. Oh snap! But what if that fool win though? What if he win though? There you go. Come on, you see. There you go. We're done with him. Come on, EC3. Uh-oh, watch out, Ralph. Sir.